So yeah, that's pretty much what we're here doing. Oh, and you see the curls are still there. Yeah, so this time when I did my hair, I actually put the gel in it, and it's keeping it well, so it stays inside. What are you doing? So we are about to cook up some food. I'm gonna make some fried chicken and fries for dinner. So that is gonna be what's for dinner for today. We decided to do Fate made brownies last night, but those, they got waxed off in no time.
Two more left, but that's what she may say. If you touch them, if you chop off my finger. Left them alone if you marry, if you don't want them, you eat them. Because nobody never helped me make them. But shut up, you get volley yesterday. You go up to your yummy big itself. Go take off for mommy. If he said me never see her come down the stairs, but me get one off mommy, so you know. That's okay. Nobody never helped me make them, so you don't deserve none.
And this is what I put up with on a daily basis.
That's a lie. I want you to take.
On a daily basis.
I want you to take. Oh.
It's two. You're supposed to take two.
But you don't have dinner yet. I did not know already yet.
So that means he's not taking any more. Those are not candy, Memphis. What? Is the watermelon still in the fridge?
Yeah.
Babe.
It is.
So, well, Babe's gone upstairs testing out his new gadget. My vlogging camera is still not fixed. Oh my gosh. So yeah, my vlogging camera is still not fixed. So I've checked all over and still unable to get myself. Yeah, like my lens, it's broken. Do you see it? It's shaking. So hopefully it won't be long before you guys actually start getting other vlogs. So this is slowing down progress for me because technically I have a few videos that I have to do, and because I don't have my vlogging camera, it's really slowing me down. And me and hubby have a couple of videos to get done, but because, well, his hair is not cut, and yeah, he's looking like a ragamuffin. He doesn't want to come on camera. He doesn't want to come on camera. So now I don't know what to do. I need to get like any barber that can come to the house and give my husband a haircut. Yes, that lives in the Toronto area, that does home service. So I definitely, because he needs to get his hair cut. He likes to shave up, and our anniversary is coming up. You know, it is the month of June. Yes, can you believe it? The year just started, guys, and it is June already. So I definitely want, and I'm praying that his hair gets cut before our anniversary. Yeah, I actually wanted to do a photo shoot for our anniversary, but I don't know how that is going to go. I got something special. I'm planning something, but we're gonna have to see. I'm gonna see if that's going to work out. And I might be dropping, I don't know, might be dropping a special video for that day, for when that time comes. We'll see. But yeah, we're just here. I'm gonna try and see if I could go online and see if I can maybe order this lens, because your girl needs to get this lens ASAP. I need it to come in, and with everything, delivery and everything, it's taking a while for things to get here as well. So, because I've ordered some stuff, I'm hoping, yeah, I ordered some stuff too for Father's Day, for anniversary, and his birthday. So I have three things I gotta buy for in 1 month. Who told us to get married within the same month, right? Are you a father? This your PS?
Boy, a picnic. Me at work.
Look at this one dodging from the camera.
Alien man.
He's dodging from the camera and sitting on his head. Look at.
Get up and make you a piece of my brownie. Make you one whole one.
He needs a haircut.
One whole brownie can get up right now.
In there.
No brownie for you then.
And of course, Rissa's hiding upstairs as usual on her tablet. So.
And of course, we had to do dishes as usual, because we're not every vlog.
Yeah, you want to do the dishes because you should have get that one that's sitting on the floor to do the dishes.
Don't do your dishes and get more time brownie them.
See, but you see, that doesn't help because you bribing him to do dishes. You just tell him to get up and go.
Get up after your maga bony, but you can do dishes right now with your albino stuff. If you not come up here, some you take me again. No brownie. You know ain't no brownie then. Watch. Okay. Man, you're in front of you. Nice brownie. Tastes good.
And this is what I deal with on a daily basis, as I said. About to start frying my chicken. So I have, well, my batter here. And I have my mixer here. And I got my chicken there. So I'm just going to season it and start frying it. And the deep fryer is nice and hot. I got this one in the kitchen, but as you can see, this one over here that's always hiding in the kitchen, but I'm sure he's not gonna help. Oh, and I'm making some fries. So I'm doing some seasoned fries, and I'm gonna make the rest of the organic fries, sweet potato fries. Mario likes those. I like them too. The kids don't really like them, so I'm just making some of those for me and him, and I'm gonna make seasoned fries. So I gotta also season the fries and make those as well. So that's what I am going to do. I think the deep fryer is ready. Seems hot and ready to go. So I'm just gonna get those on. Put your hand in. See, I just season up the chicken like very lightly because I have enough seasoning in here, and I also have enough seasoning in there. I don't want to make it too much. I don't want to put too much seasoning on it. So I just use my homemade seasoning. And I just basically dab a bit of it. And I also put my homemade seasoning in here. So I'm gonna put the chicken in my batter here. So I just gotta mix it up. And then I'm gonna transfer it to there. And yeah, I got one more thing I need to get as well. So I'm gonna put them on here, and then got my deep fryer there. So I'm gonna place them in my deep fryer there. So that is what we are all having for dinner today. Some fried. I was gonna make chicken and waffles, but wasn't feeling the whole waffle thing, so I'm doing chicken and fries. So because Abby doesn't like wings, also would have done wings and fries, but I'm not doing that.
Taste what?
That today.
What?
What do you mean taste it? Taste what? You guys are so disgusting.
What do you make? What is this?
So that's what's Deb. Chicken in there.
Yeah, it does. It tastes like bomb juice. That red
Let me use these tongs. They work
yeah,
better.
It does. From Jamaica, it tastes like that red bomb juice.
Hungry, and I just want to do something quick. So, gonna drop these bad boys in there and then make sure that they're covered. So while I'm doing that, I will try and see if I can soak these ones. See, the chicken is almost done. Almost finished. I'm gonna let it fry for a little bit. So I'm currently, let me put these away. So as you see, I got the fried chicken here, and I'm just gonna put these here. Wash that out so I can just get the pot for the fries.
Pot, yeah. This is the pot.
Whole thing. So what I do, I take it off just to shake off the excess flour off of them. She's actually making the seasoned fries right now. Such your face good. And I'm just taking out the batch of chicken right here. Don't mind the counter,
Wait,
it's
Mommy,
a
I want
mess.
A burger.
Memphis.
Mommy, I want a burger. Memphis, go get a burger downstairs for me, please.
Oh, you're my fan?
So I am going to
Can I make
take these out because
If I can put your head in that, then you can have a burger.
I'll leave them in for a couple more seconds. Are you just making the rest of the fries?
Oh yeah, put the rest of them in.
Mom, can I fry a burger?
Yeah, I want a burger. I must put my nail off.
There's yeah.
Are finished.
Whoops.
And I'm trying to double these up. So I already put them in. I'm gonna double them again and see how these turn out.
Yeah, I want some of the double ones.
So I'm doubling them. So I'm making KFC
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
fried chicken
At home.
at home, and we're making our special seasoned fries. So Faith, this is how you shake it up, and you're shaking the fries. Okay, so that is
Nice,
finished.
right?
Okay, so I'm
But
going
we need a
to
bit more seasoning.
take out the fried chicken. So I did a bit of chicken strips because Babe liked the chicken breast strips, and then I just did chicken legs. I didn't do no wings. So that is what is up. So our chicken first.
Yeah. The chicken.
Okay, so I'm gonna do another batch of chicken. And then, so these chicken are finished. Yeah, so the chickens are looking scrumptious. These are all finished. See, yes, I love these things. They come in so handy and convenient. So now that I am finished frying all these chicken legs, and these ones I double coated them, so you see they actually look like the chicken that you get at KFC. So those are all finished, and what I'm going to do now is I am going to actually let me get these fries in. So these are the 2 potato fries. There's not that much in the bag, so whatever is left, just gonna toss those over to the side. Okay, and that's it. And I actually have some coated fries here. I'm gonna put these in. So this is a different way I also make fries as well. So the batter and stuff, I use the rest of the batter and coat the fries, and it just gives it a more crispier taste and more spicier taste too. So from using the chicken.
Sugar or whatever.
Okay.
I like the master
So
juice.
these fries are finished. So they usually tilt to the side.
Ew, these pieces shrivel up.
Oh no! Drain it off. And then they just empty it there.
Mommy, what should I do with the peas?
Uh-oh. I gotta go in to go get these two.
Come on.
I'm gonna rinse it off. Okay.
Boof. There's boof right there. Are you making? Let's make curry beef tomorrow, please. The last time you did beef.
I am making it.
Yay.
So I'm just gonna put these fries in.
Why does it look like you're so scared?
That's a lot. Do I want to put all of that in at once?
Yeah, just put all.
Okay. So there we go.
The faster they cook, the better the belly gets full. Actually, no, because you can make a lot and the belly still won't get full.
So there you guys have it. KFC fried chicken with fries, seasoned fries. This is it, fries and fried chicken for dinner. And that's pretty much it. So your girl is going to go eat. I am hungry. And that's it for the night. So we're just about to eat and just watch some movies. And that's pretty much it. Another day, what do you say? 90 days quarantine, first time going out. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Williams fam. And to all the newcomers, welcome to the channel. Yeah, you guys could check out the playlist. I have playlists of different things on our channel. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And just a quick notification, guys. We also somebody asked to add the members because they wanted to see some other stuff and stuff like that. So I did add the member on our YouTube. So if you want to join, you guys can join. The button is there. You can join, and different notification if you would like some more information about the members button. Just actually let me know, and I will probably do a video on it just to let you guys kind of have an idea what it's about. So yeah, and for members, it's members only. You get special perks pertaining to behind the scenes, some different stuff, maybe different videos that I don't normally post on here as well. So those are also part of the member package that you guys will get. So it's based on the package that you guys pick. And yeah, we'd just like to say thank you guys, and thank you so much for the support. And we are on our way to 5K. Yes, guys, and we will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
First I know this is really love, cause baby I feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.